Welcome back, web developers. Today we are diving into the exciting world of DOM manipulations. The document object model allows us to dynamically modify HTML elements using JavaScript. Get ready to unleash your creativity as we explore how to dominate the web with dynamic content. Before we can manipulate the DOM, we need to access the elements we want to modify. Let's start by learning how to select elements using JavaScript. Take a look at this code snippet. Let's start by selecting an element by ID. Then selecting elements by class name. Lastly, selecting elements by tag name. With these methods, we can target specific elements and store them in variables for further manipulation. Now that we have access to elements, let's modify their content dynamically. Here's an example of how we can change the text inside of an element. By assigning a new value to the text content property, we can update the element's content dynamically. Not only can we change the content, but we can also modify the styles of elements. Let's explore how to manipulate element styles using JavaScript. By accessing the style property of an element, we can modify its various CSS styles such as color, font size, and even more. Sometimes we want to create new elements and add them to the DOM dynamically. Let's see how we can achieve that. In this example, we create a new div element, set its content, and then append it to an existing element with the append child method. To keep our web page dynamic, we might need to remove elements as well. Here's an example of how to remove an element. By selecting the element we want to remove and accessing its parent node, we can use the remove child method to remove it from the DOM. And there you have it. Congratulations, you've just mastered the art of DOM manipulation. With these techniques, you can dynamically modify HTML elements, change content, styles, create new elements, and then even remove them from the DOM. The web is now yours to conquer. That's all for today's tidbit on the Ctrl Alt Delve series. But remember, practice is key. Experiment with different DOM manipulation techniques and create engaging and interactive web pages. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting programming content. Happy coding!